So this is a deep learning project. The main components here are using a Dobot. So we used a Dobot Magician. We have Python API available for Dobot Magician. So the components that we select are, we have to work with TensorFlow for deep learning to train a model which identifies nuts and bolts, and then we have to use the inference graph that we derive from TensorFlow, and we can extract and classify the images. So we also use a Logitech Webcam to do the job of image recognition. We attached the camera to the Electromagnet, and in turn we connected the Electromagnet to the 12-volt port of the Dobot Magician. We also used two pins, the yellow one for a bolt and the gray one for nut. And once the job is done, we have used the overall systems and connected them using Python. And I'll run the program, and please watch till the end and enjoy. So the Dobot Magician is forming to identify its XYZ in the zeroth axis. Now the Dobot Magician is ready to take the picture and identify the pixel frame. So now the TensorFlow model has inferred the bolt and nut at 99 and 97% respectively. So this is a classic case of using deep learning in industrial applications. Once we're able to train the model in the TensorFlow in the cloud, we're going to import the inference graph into the local machines, local servers or laptops. So in this case, it's a laptop. We'll import that into the local machines and perform the deep learning, and and be able to classify images, or even do various tasks along with the classification.